Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing my 2025 bullet journal. So if you've been watching me for a while, you know that this is my third year of bullet journaling and I always get it from this brand. So I'm pretty excited. If you guys want me to make a setup video, then put a comment down below. So this box also came with 2 paper clips and 2 sticker packets and a ruler with different shapes in there so you can use it as a stencil, and it also came with a calendar. And I'm very disappointed in this calendar because it said it's for the year 2024 and this is my 2025 bullet journal and I'm only 8 days away from the new year, so it's pretty disappointing to me. Also on Amazon, it says that this bullet journal should have a gold edge, but I'm just confused because I clearly don't see any gold edge on this notebook, but yeah. And this bullet journal costed me $24.95 when I bought it. So here's the bullet journal with dots in it, and in the back of the book there's also a folder. And it comes with its own bookmark and its own page numbers. Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe.